Magandang buhay! Welcome to Math Tuto with Teacher Jack.
Magandang ating isip, ating puso, sabay-sabay tayong matutuwa with Teacher Jack.
For today, I'll be discussing about determining the missing term or terms in a sequence of numbers. Our lesson objective is at the end of this lesson, you will be able to determine the missing term or terms in a sequence of numbers. Example, odd numbers, even numbers, multiples of a number, factors of a number, etc. Let us study the different terms that we will use in this discussion. The first one is number sequence. Number sequence is a list of numbers arranged in a row. Term, each number in a sequence is called term. Pattern is a repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors, letters, and so on. To find the next few terms in a sequence, you first need to find the common difference, the constant amount of change between numbers in a sequence. Once you know the common difference, you can use it to find those next terms. Let's have our first given. So we have 15, 20, blank, 30, 35, and blank. So the first thing that we need to do is to get the difference of the consecutive terms. Let's do it. So 35 minus 30 is correct, 5. And 20 minus 15 is 5. So ngayon, i-observe natin yung difference na nakuha natin. Parehas na 5. So, ang gagamitin ngayon natin or ang ginamit sa pattern ng ating sequence ay nag-a-add ng 5 sa bawat term para makuha yung next term. So, tignan natin. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. And 35 plus 5 is 40. Let's have our next given. So we have 7, 9, 11, blank, 15, and blank. So same thing or same process ng ginawa natin dun sa first given. Let us get first the difference of our consecutive terms. So we have 11 minus 9, correct, 2. And 9 minus 7 is 2. So, kung papansinin mo yung nakuha nating difference, pareho or same na 2. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa sequence na to, ang naging pattern is nag-a-add ng 2 sa bawat term to get the next term. So, let's do it. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. 9 plus 2 is equals to 11. 11 plus 2 is equals to 13. And 13 plus 2 is equals to 15. 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. Let's have our next given. We have 3, 6, 9, blank, 15, and blank. So to get the missing terms, let us get first the difference of our consecutive terms para malaman natin kung anong pattern yung ating gagamitin. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang nakuha nating mga difference ay same na 3, so, ang gagamitin nating pattern is mag-a-add tayo ng 3 sa bawat term para makuha natin yung next term. So, let's do it. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. And 15 plus 3 is 18. Let's have our next given. So we have 2, 4, 8, 16, blank, and blank. So, ang gagawin natin, kukunin muna natin yung difference ng mga consecutive terms and then from that, we will derived on what pattern yung gagamitin natin para makuha natin yung missing terms. So, let's do it. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So, take a look at our difference. So, yung mga difference na nakuha natin ay 2, 4, 8. Kung i-observe mo mabuti, to get the next term, we need to multiply the term sa 2. Try natin. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And 32 times 2 is 64. So, another way para makuha natin yung missing terms, pwede din na i-add mo yung term itself or to itself. For example, 2, i-add mo siya sa sarili niya. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Next, 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. And 32 plus 32 is 64. Let's have our next given. So we have here 3, 5, 9, 15, 23, blank, and blank. So, same thing, same process ng gagawin natin is to get the difference of the consecutive terms. So, we have 23 minus 15 is 8. 15 minus 9 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So, i-observe nyo yung mga difference na nakuha natin. Ano ang napapansin ninyo? Correct. Multiples of 2 yung ating mga nakuhang difference. So, ang gagawin natin, ang magiging pattern natin is multiples of 2. Nag-a-add tayo ng mga multiples of 2 consecutively sa ating mga terms. For example, si 3, i-add mo siya kay 2 to get 5. And then yung next multiple of 2 is 4. So, 5 plus 4 is 9. And then, next multiple of 2 after 4 is 6. So, 9 plus 6 is 15. And then, 15 plus 8 is 23. So, ano yung next kay 8 sa multiples of 2? Correct. Ito ay 10. So, ang gagawin natin is 23 plus 10 is equals to 33. And then, ano yung next multiple pagkatapos ni 10 sa multiples of 2? We have, correct, 12. Kasi multiples of 2. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then, si 33, dadagdagan mo ng 12. So, 33 plus 12 is 45. So always remember, to find the next few terms in a sequence, you first need to find the common difference, the constant amount of change between numbers in a sequence. Once you know the common difference, you can use it to find those next terms.
Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. God bless!